Hi, this video will give you a quick walkthrough of the Chinese Flashcards app on Android. We start the app, and since this is the first time we started, all boxes we use to study flashcards are empty, so we will add flashcards to the first box. As you can see, we've got several books in here: New Practical Chinese Reader, the Practical Chinese Reader, the second and third editions of Integrated Chinese, and the HSK levels 1 to 4. We will start with the Practical Chinese Reader, and we choose the first chapter with 4 characters. So the characters were added to box number 1, and we can start to study. As you see, box number 1 will now contain 4 characters, and studying works like this. You're presented with the character. You can also change this, I will show it a bit later. Then to see if you are right, you just tap it and are presented with the pinyin and the English. You can also listen to how the character is pronounced. This will only work if you have a text-to-speech engine which supports Chinese. If I think I'm right, I will swipe to the right, and I'm presented with the next flashcard. When I'm wrong, I will just swipe to the left. Next one, I didn't get this right, so left. I know that one, and I will mark it as correct. So all cards have been answered. 2 cards were correctly answered, and they have been put into box number 2. So as we can see, 2 flashcards are left in box number 1, those that I haven't answered correctly, and 2 are moved to box number 2. Now I could continue studying, or I can add more cards to box number 1. I can also do some configuration. I can choose if I want to study simplified or traditional characters, and I can choose what the flashcard should ask for. Should it be Chinese, pinyin, or English that should first be presented? So let's take a look. If we go for English, go back, and again start with box number 1. It will show me Gubo, a personal name. I click on it and presented with Chinese and pinyin. That's all to it. Once you've got flashcards in box number 1 and answer them correctly, they are just removed from the boxes, because we would assume that you now have really memorized them. Thanks, and have fun learning.